Your top snacks. Low-carb strawberry smoothie. You can easily make a low-carb smoothie with the right ingredients. Strawberries are a delicious low-carb fruit. ½ cup, 83 grams, of sliced strawberries provides just 6 grams of carbs. To make a low-carb strawberry smoothie, blend the following together. Ingredients: 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of unsweetened almond milk. ½ cup, 83 grams, of fresh strawberries. 1/4 cup, 24 grams, of a low-carb protein powder. 1 tablespoon, 15 grams, of chia seeds. 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. A few ice cubes. Thanks for watching. For more, subscribe.